Do you know what this is? That's right! It's a backpack! Shall we take a look at what's inside the backpack? Wow! They're crayons! Crayon starts with the letter C. Shall we write the letter C? C. C is for crayon.
Ah!
What is this? That's right! It's a water bottle. Water bottle starts with the letter W. Let's write the letter W. W. W is for water bottle. Then what could this be? That's right! It's a book. Book starts with the letter B. Shall we write the letter B? B. B is for book. Good job, everyone! A baby bear is putting on his backpack to go to kindergarten. B is for bag. B is for bear. What do you think is inside the backpack? Hello, I'm a book. I have the most wonderful stories in the world. If you read me, we can travel to the land of imagination. B is for book. Hi there, I'm a crayon. I can draw anything beautifully. C is for crayon. Hello, I'm a water bottle. Listen to my story. When you run around the playground and get thirsty, I can give you cool water. You can drink water and get your energy back. W is for water bottle. With such reliable friends in his backpack, the baby bear is so excited on his way to kindergarten. Let's write the letter B. Uppercase B. Lowercase b. Here is a cute bear. Let's find the letter B in the word bear. Bear. B is for bear. Here is a cute rabbit. Let's find the letter B in the word rabbit. Wow, there are two B's. Rabbit. B is for rabbit. Excellent! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 crayons. Shall we make the shape of the letter C with the crayons?
How?
Very good! Let's trace around the letter C we made with the crayons. Great! Now let's color it in with our crayons. Green, purple,
A is for atlas, map in hand. B is for boat, let's
Pink.
sail to land. C is for cave, dark and deep. D is for dragon, no time to sleep. We
Light
are the
blue.
ABC explorers, ready for the grand adventure.
purple,
Hunting letters side by side,
and orange. We colored the letter C using 6 crayons. This time, let's cut it out with scissors along the letter shape. While cutting with scissors, let's take a close look at what the letter looks like.
We are the ABC Explorers, ready for the grand adventure, hunting letters side by side from A to Z. Let's take the ride.
C.
Wow!
Let's write the letter W with a blue crayon.
J is for jungle, wild and free. K is for key to open the way. L is for lion, guides the royal way.
W. Wonderful! Now, let's decorate around the letter using colorful dot markers.
Take the ride. M is for mountain, tall and wide. N is for moon with stars as guide. O is for octopus, waving hello. P is for ready to go. We are the ABC Explorers. Wow! Adventure, hunting letters side by side from A to Z. Let's take
We decorated the letter W with the dot markers. You did a fantastic job today!